Hello students. Up to last class we have started about planets and we have discussed up to Mars. Means we have discussed up to the terrestrial planets which includes Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Today we will study about the second classification of planets, that is Jovian planets. And we have defined Jovian planets as the planets which are made up of gases and they are larger. First we will discuss about Jupiter. It is the largest planet of the solar system. Its volume is about 1300 times more than that of the Earth. And most important thing is that it has colorful bands on its surface. Due to this colorful bands, it looks beautiful and it is mainly consist of hydrogen and helium. And its cloud cover is made up of methane, that too in gaseous form. With methane, some ammonia is also present. And it has 28 moons. So now we will discuss about next planet, that is Saturn. It is also a Jovian planet and it is second largest planet, that is smaller than Jupiter in size, in mass and composition also. So Saturn is second largest planet of the solar system. As we have discussed, in case of Jupiter, some bands are present, but in case of Saturn, the rings are present on its surface. And due to the presence of these rings, it looks very beautiful. Galileo was the first scientist to observe these rings, due to which it looks very beautiful. And these rings can be visualized only by using telescope. And it has 30 moons or 30 natural satellites, which is largest among all the planets that we have. Next is Uranus. It is also a Jovian planet. This is also a very large planet. This is third largest planet, which implies that it is smaller than Jupiter and Saturn. In comparison to Earth, its diameter is about 4 times than that of the Earth. Hydrogen and methane are present in the atmosphere around the Uranus. It is observed that it looks blue-green in color. And its atmosphere is cold and clear, that is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. and it has 21 satellites. And the last planet is Neptune. That too is Jovian planet. This planet is very far from the Sun, but its visibility is only through telescope. And it has 8 satellites. So this was the brief description about our 8 planets. Now we will discuss about the second celestial body, that is asteroids. Asteroids are the celestial bodies which are termed as also very small planets that are found only between the belts of two planets, that is Mars and Jupiter. As we have discussed in case of planets that these planets have orbits. Likewise, these asteroids being small planet also have their own orbit, and these orbits are spread over a long distances which forms a band. Till now, we have come across 500 asteroids which are larger than 48 kilometer in diameter. And Ceres is the largest asteroid known till date. Means among 500 asteroids, Ceres is the largest known asteroid. Here we complete the various celestial bodies which constitute the solar system.